42Q is an enterprise cloud MES for global manufacturers. 42Q was developed by a Fortune 500 company, Sanmina Corporation, who developed this application to solve their unique problems in manufacturing, and today we commercialize this software globally for manufacturers from different industries and markets. Manufacturers are dealing with daily challenges, and 42Q was designed to solve some of those most complex challenges. And they could come from skilled labor shortage, quality gaps in automation, production flexibility and customization, cybersecurity, technology integration, you name it. And to make things a little bit more interesting, now there is AI. How manufacturers and AI connect, how the IT world and the OT work can connect. 42Q came to help them to address those challenges with the future-proof technology. Innovation and creativity is part of our DNA. That's who we are, who we are always going to be. We work very close to our partners and customers to deliver what's best in terms of technology. And among those, we'd like to call a few. XConnect, that brings the ingestion engine to our customers, allows them to communicate machine to machine, system to system, systems to machines. Omni, that produces or brings the visibility layer that allows customers to design their dashboards, their reports in a much more simplistic way. Arthur, our Agentic AI, our AI client, communicating not just with existing documentation with 42Q, but now extrapolating with our customer documentations and with agents among our customer network. And last but not least, connected manufacturing is the tool or a solution that has been developed to extrapolate the four walls of a manufacturing facility. It does help manufacturers to connect with their suppliers and their supplier chain to make sure they have full visibility and control over what happens with those ecosystems, whether or not they are running 42Q as their primarily MES system. We are your trusted manufacturing advisor. Whether you have already started this journey or you're about to start, reach out to us and we'll help you to deliver quick time to value.